Hello, good morning children. Today I will give you the question answers of workbook of the lesson Gulliver's Travels. So let us begin from answer these questions. The first question is, describe the land that Gulliver and his crew landed on. The answer will be, the land was barren and rocky. Second question, how huge was the man? Give instances. So the answer is, instances are there. The water of the ocean reached till his knees. The man picked Gulliver between his thumb and forefinger. Third question is, why couldn't Gulliver climb the steps of the fence? Because every step was 6 feet high. Fourth question is, why were Gulliver's efforts to make himself heard got wasted? The answer is, because they were very big and could not listen his meek voice. Fifth question is, why was Gulliver scared to see the cat? The answer will be, because the cat was 10 times larger than an ox. Now, fill in the blanks are there. An autobiography is when a person tells the story of his own life in his own words. Second one is, the water of the ocean reached till his knees. Third question, third fill in the blank, the sound of the huge creature sounded like thunder. Fourth, the huge man looked at Gulliver with curiosity and called his friends. Fifth one, Gulliver slept dreaming about his home, his wife and his children. List the unusual things on the giant man's land. So the unusual things are, the water was till his knees, the dining table was 30 feet high, the cat was 10 times larger than an ox, the baby put his head into his mouth, the mother covered Gulliver with a handkerchief. So now this is D1. What would you do if you were in Gulliver's place? How would you save yourself? This you have to do by yourself. Now choose the correct word from the brackets. Now I have given the answer. All except EX, CEPT, so on were present. Second one, the water in the kettle is boiling, KETTLE. Third one, the root ROOT of this plant is bitter. Fourth one, she acted upon my advice, ADVICE. Fifth one, the owner OWNER of this house is alive. Now make sentences. The land was barren and rocky. Our school field is very big. The giant man was chasing me. His voice was louder than a trumpet. I stood in astonishment. There are, now correct the sentences. There are 2 sheep in their house. The children are playing in the park. They always help us. They live at 78 Netaji Park. I was watching the news at that time. So children, do this work in your workbook only. Thank you and have a nice day.